Hello, everyone, and we got big news. China's biggest bank, the Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, is calling Bitcoin digital gold. Yes, they are, and Ethereum digital oil. Yes, China looks like they are going to adopt Ethereum, not Neo, and not any of the Chinese Ethereum killers. Because Ethereum killers, we all know, don't really kill Ethereum. In a new report shared by Matt Siegel, VanEck's head of digital assets, the ICBC, which is China's commercial and industrial bank, gives praise to the two top cryptocurrencies. Now, this comes shortly after the Hong Kong ETF, and many will take this as another signal that China is getting closer to adopting cryptocurrency, at least at a governmental level. Maybe not at a retail level, but at a governmental level. The report also says the market is strong for digital assets, pushing innovation in the sector. China, we already know, has been pretty gung-ho about blockchain technology, but because they're afraid of the ramifications of the control of the economy if they switch to digital assets, they definitely have staved off endorsing any coins. The report draws comparisons between Bitcoin and gold while also saying the crypto king has added benefits. So they are very, very much warming up to crypto, specifically Bitcoin and Ethereum. I don't know if they will adopt the altcoins or not. That may take a while. Bitcoin retains a scarcity similar to gold through mathematical consensus while solving its problem of being difficult to divide, difficult to identify, authenticity, and inconvenient to carry. Its monetary attributes are gradually weakening while its asset attributes are constantly strengthening. Now, this could just be because the Chinese economy is faltering and they need something to combat the US dollar, so they might actually see Bitcoin as a way. It's not ideal for them, of course, because they don't really control Bitcoin, and there's a lot of holders and a lot of whales outside the governments themselves that can manipulate Bitcoin. In calling Ethereum digital oil, the report praises various characteristics of the top smart contract platform's ecosystem. Probably doesn't mention it's slow as molasses, but it looks like they're looking at the biggest one, the oldest one, and the one with the most proven track record at this point. While the ICBC highlights some of the network's shortcomings, it also believes technological advances resolve them over time. Now, they're probably talking about layer 2 because Ethereum's problems on a layer 1 basis can't actually be resolved. They've been trying to resolve them for a long time. It just hasn't really worked. Ethereum involves Turing completeness with exclusive programming language, Solidity, and virtual machine, EVM, allowing developers to write and arrange for a variety of different smart contracts and applications. Obviously, because it's been there the longest, it's garnered a lot of trust from China and a lot of other big organizations. Many of them are using private versions of Ethereum. The government itself might eventually be using a private version of Ethereum. In essence, Ethereum's Turing capabilities completeness enables it to execute any programming instructions under the premise of correct instructions and sufficient resources. The sufficient resources part obviously is very problematic sometimes, but it's good that China is actually looking towards these blockchains and maybe looking to adopt them. I think if the government starts adopting Bitcoin, I don't think it's going to be too long before the retail actually comes in. And this is all very, very good news because China's been very much down on crypto for a long time. And now they're finally seeing a lot of the benefits. Perhaps it's because they want something to compete with the dollar. And right now, there might not be anything to compete with the dollar outside of Bitcoin itself. Ethereum, obviously, I don't know how much Ethereum China has, but they're looking at the oldest and probably like the most proven smart contract network, even though I think they're wrong in believing that technological advances will actually solve Ethereum's problems, because they've been trying to solve them for a very long time and they haven't really solved them yet. And I doubt they'll really solve them anytime soon. But, at least they're looking at this new technology. They're looking at this sector, and it definitely could be good for crypto overall. The other news I have is that Crypto.com has gained approval from Ireland's central bank, so they're slowly expanding into Europe and into Ireland. The Central Bank of Ireland has approved 15 different VASPs from June 7th, 2024, including Crypto.com, Coinbase, Gemini, Ripple, and others. So it's not only Crypto.com. Ireland has approved a lot of crypto companies. The Central Bank of Ireland has given a nod to another major cryptocurrency company, Crypto.com, as a virtual asset provider. That's what VASP is. Crypto.com, one of the world's largest trading platforms, announced on June 11th that it had received an approval in Ireland. The approval allows Crypto.com to expand its offering in the country, including crypto to fiat, extremely important, and fiat wallets. Now, it's pretty important. Ireland's pretty small in terms of an economy, probably no effect on the price, but country by country, these exchanges and wallets are finally coming to, and much of the world is finally getting plugged in. Crypto.com's chief operating officer, Eric Anzani, said the approval shows the company's commitment to compliance and responsible innovation. We are excited to broaden our offering in Ireland, enabling consumers to engage with the most comprehensive crypto product offering, the exec said. Crypto.com declined to comment to Cointelegraph on the specifics of new crypto services enabled in Ireland with the latest VASP approval. So they got approval in Ireland. Hopefully, more countries soon. Hopefully, crypto comes to almost every country in the world. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.